nakuha na natin yung sapat na sukat ng net sa mga Twitters natin. Yan, speaking of Twitter, follow us, VLeague_PH, and use the hashtag Shakey'sVLeague. Of course, you can visit the official website, pati na rin like us on Facebook. Well, Saturday, kasama si Noreen Gold, si Rina Villamor, as that attack by Pablo goes into the net. 17-15, perpetual fourth set. Maha Hernandez sinabi, 7 feet 4 inches. 7 feet 4 and 1/8 inches.
I said 7.
That is the correct. Sabi ko naman lampas 7 feet eh. Oh, yan. Dink coming from Dindin Santiago, and that's a score for NU.
Plays like she's 7.
Yeah, she's 6'2". So, tama, no? 7 feet 4 and 1/8 inches. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tandaan natin yun, ha? As for women, syempre mas mataas pag nasa men's volleyball tayo. Cases, Reyes, De Leon, Dindin. At nalusot na naman niya kay Sandra. You notice, ito si Dindin, kay Sandra niya talaga pinapapunta yung bola. Alam pa niyang wala pa sa ritmo itong si Sandra De Los Santos.
Yeah, I'm sure. When one look at Sandra, makita mo na medyo not in tip-top or in playing
not
form.
Not yet in game shape, yes.
Oo.
Pablo, Diaz, Argarin, Cases into the net. Lamang na ang NU.
That's right. Lost steam there.
18-17, Lady Bulldogs. Lamang na sila 2-1 dito sa ating fourth set.
Mulong ka sa gitna.
Pablo. Condada. Sartin attacking from behind. Ruby running attack. Din.
You know, I'm telling you, I've never seen Dindin hit this much.
Again, credit that to Ruby De Leon's setting as we have a timeout called by Perpetual.
Okay, kaya kapit lang tayo. Bigas mo din nga. Para yung balik sa nila mabigat.
Joy, palo. Tara, palo.
Tignan natin itong ating huling play as NU is now starting to wax hot once again.
The typhoon.
The typhoon on the serve. Argarin running attack. Sandra.
Wow.
Great dig by Reyes. At si Reyes, naibalik pa yung bola. Argarin, this time going to Joy Cases. Partially deflected. At hindi na makakaabot doon si Jen Reyes. Mas Jen Reyes galing zone 1, umabol pa rin, ano?
Exactly. That's I love it when she jumps. Tapos yung paa niya, yung parang nagbabalay.
Oh, grabe. Na sinulat ko nga yan sa aking article, she must have been a cat in her past life. 19-18. NU still up. And NU up now by 2 as Dindin Santiago becomes all business dito sa ating fourth set.
Of course, you know, Dindin, ayaw na nagpa-play time. She wants to finish it. She's serious and given a chance.
May sale daw sa Green
Papatay.
Hills eh. 2018, bad reception by Sartin on that service ace from Ruby De Leon.
Well, she's been doing it in everything, in setting, serving, digging. Wow, another good serve.
Bad reception there. Great dig, however, by Sartin. Eto ay si Jane Diaz. At sabi ni Jen Reyes, sana ay ko, hinayaan mo na lang.
Oo
Nasa
nga.
sahig na ako eh.
Oo nga eh. Sinira mo yung papel.
Oo. 21-19, still not over. Dumidikit pa rin itong Perpetual. Sandra De Los Santos changing her serve again. Nice block by Rubino! That's how you block a 6'2".
Well, we know no.
Kita mo naman yung timing. Alam you. Again, you. Urdas. Nahabol pa rin ni Sartin. Here is Santiago, Sartin, Argarin, Jane Diaz, and Reyes got into the line of De Leon. Oh! Lucky break for Dindin. Miss hit, nahulog. At puntos para sa NU.
Well, you really gotta give it to this Perpetual squad. No, they're really trying to fight for every point.
22-20. Dindin Santiago. Back serving. Nice one. Maganda talaga kasi hindi na naibalik ng Perpetual. 23-20. Timeout. Jason Sapin.
Ito, dos, open. Patong na ito.
Layo pa yan, ha?
Layo pa niya, no?
Guys, kapit lang. Di mo kapit lang.
Ako lang. Ibalik natin, Resiban, ha?
Isa lang, oh. Kapitan natin.
Myla Pablo with a great game. Aiko Ordaz with a great game. Ginaganon off the bench. So many heroes para din sa kupunan ng NU Lady Bulldogs. But it's still not over. Condada, Argarin, Tubino!
Still fighting.
Sabi ni Tubino, di ba hanggang 25 naman tong
Oo.
set na to? Wala pa kayo doon, 23 pa lang kayo. At iba yung look ngayon itong si Royce Tubino, yung intensity. She knows that she can carry the team. Take turns sila. Kanina si Joy Cases, laging si Sartin. Ngayon, it's the turn of Honey Royce Tubino. Down the middle ngayon, yung serve nitong si Joy Cases. Back set. Oh! Mina Ganon sends NU to triple match point.
Well, you know, I saw Argarin and her reaction. Talagang parang, she should have left it to the back row defense.
Aganon serving for the match. Diaz keeps it alive momentarily.
One match point save.
Oh, double match point na lang ito. Ngayon, service ni Diaz, the former serve specialist. Let's see if she can get it done para makumpleto na ang paghahabol nitong Perpetual and send this to a 5th set. Dindin, Ruby, Myla Pablo, dug up there, Tubino, Reyes keeping it alive again. Argarin, across, Sartin, at hindi na makabutan yan ang depensa. Isa na lang ang match point ng NU. Again, Tubino, one of the stars now for Perpetuals. Timeout for Edson Mabayan.
Yeah, kailangan lang mapagpasabay niya. Kasi tumalon ka na maayos. Kaya ni Rubin, pasabay niya. Tatlo naman spiker natin. Tayo hiwalay lang. Basta pasok din ako tayo lang. Pero magagawa natin yan. Isang magandang receipt. Yun lang.
Kailangan maganda ng reception dito ng NU. Gusto nilang maligpit na itong Perpetual. Otherwise, Perpetual will have so much momentum here in this endgame.
But you wouldn't ask for any two better defender in Dindin Santiago and Jen Reyes.
Nasa likuran.
Oo.
So tignan natin kung saan pupunta si Jane Diaz ngayon. Diaz, medyo palobo yung kanyang serve this time and Dindin sends it back. Bad attack. Here's Myla Pablo and that one goes out. Point goes to NU. At 4 touches now. 4 touches now. Nirereklamo rito ni Jason Sapio. But this ball game is... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Philip Season now approaches.
What's going on here?
And it will be awarded to Perpetual. Philip Season changes his call. And even Edget Mabayad says... Okay, that is the correct call actually. So
That
tingnan
is.
natin. 4 touches now.
Well, I don't know actually what the referee called because parang he was motioning net, but no net. It doesn't look like any net.
And I think Dindin Santiago is now asking for a clarification because Philip Season overturned his initial call. So tied at 24 from 3 match points down. Nakahabol na
But Coach Edget Mabayad not actually contesting, so I think
Hindi, nakita rin niya eh. And now Jane Diaz trying to serve. It's now a race to 26, trying to give Perpetual back the lead. Oh, service ace from Jane Diaz. Set point now para sa Perpetual.
well, a mental breakdown there for Dindin Santiago because that was clearly hers.
Oo. Jane Diaz, nerves of steel. From 21-24 down, siya yung or 22-24 down, siya yung nagsiserve. Serve specialist. Can she deliver the knockout blow here in the fourth set? Reyes, better reception. Here's Myla Pablo. Great
good
save
save.
by Condana. Sartin. Reyes again. De Leon, Jaja. Tubino. Here's Myla Pablo. Dug up again by Condana. Tubino. Dindin. De Leon. Myla Pablo is not going to work. Fifth set.
The scrappy girls from Perpetual just played with so much heart there in that
Right.
fourth set.
Credit again, Jane Diaz. Nerves of steel. Serving at 22-24 down. At nakuha ng Perpetual ang 4 na sunod-sunod na puntos para madala tayo sa isang fifth set. Shaky, shake and play. It doesn't matter. We are still going to set number 5.